The human genetic disorders that we had discussed till now include those disorders which are occurring because of a mutant allele which is present within the chromosome. What if the situation is such that the number of chromosome has increased? Okay, there are certain disorders where the number of chromosomes increases or decreases, and that leads to certain symptoms, and that coins itself as a disease. And this condition was first of all described by Sir Langdon Down, DOWN, in 1866, and what he gave us was a disease where he studied certain symptoms and we called it Down's syndrome. What I assume is that you must be knowing this term. Okay, at this stage of your life you must be knowing what Down syndrome is, and if you don't know it, no problem, because by the end of this lesson we are going to know what it is. Now, what is this Down syndrome? What is the main mechanism that lies behind this condition where there are certain symptoms that a diseased patient shows? Certainly it is a genetic disorder because it has something to do with chromosomes and genes, and because it is dealing with chromosomes, so it is a sort of chromosomal aberration. Now, we do not term it as chromosomal aberration completely because aberration deals with single sister chromatid being altered. Over here what we deal with is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy. What is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is a condition when the number of chromosome either increases or it decreases. It is totally different from chromosomal aberration. Aberration is that one of the sister chromatids is either broken, it is inversed, it is translocated. So, somehow aneuploidy is totally different, and this Down's syndrome comes under aneuploidy, where the 21st chromosome, because it is a human disorder, we are talking about 21st pair of homologous chromosome, shows a condition known as trisomy. What is trisomy? That instead of 2 homologous chromosomes, you have another one at the 21st position. Supposedly, you take out a karyotype of a patient or a child who is suffering from Down syndrome. Instead of finding 46 chromosomes which a normal individual, a normal human being has, out of which 44 are autosomes and 2 are sex chromosomes depending on whether it is a female or a male, you are going to find 47 chromosomes. Alright, because at the 21st pair you are going to find one more chromosome. Okay, this is the reason Down syndrome happens. This is the reason why Down syndrome happens. Now, there are other reasons also, like what could be the main reason behind this trisomy to occur? Okay, trisomy occurs when the females who are conceiving within the age of 35 to 40, supposedly the mother is in this category of age group and she is bearing the child, there is quite a probability that non-disjunction of chromosome occurs during the cell division, and because the non-disjunction of homologous chromosome occurs, the pair stays there only and the additional chromosome from the father comes and makes it a trisomal condition. Okay? So, it leads to trisomy. That is why it is advised whenever females in this age group are bearing a child, it is often suggested to check out whether the individual or the offspring is having Down syndrome or not. Using certain techniques like amniocentesis, it could be made out. If the offspring is having 47 chromosomes in total, then certainly there are chances that he or she could be suffering from Down syndrome. Now, this is the reason how it manifests itself, how this additional chromosome is manifesting itself in the body of patient. So, we are going to talk about the symptoms that this patient shows. Firstly, they have cushioned eyes. at the end of their eyes there is a cushiony arrangement. So you find certain amount of squint in their eyes. Okay, the squint is you have that turned and twisted eyes with cushions around the eyes. So they have a round head, abnormally round head. Everybody has a round head, but theirs is more round. Okay, they have short, very short stature, very short in height they are going to be. Okay, their eyes have cushiony eyes. Okay, their broad palms and hands could be easily identified. Fingers are very, very short. Okay, apart from that, they have a furrowed tongue. Such is the tongue, furrowed, and because of that their mouth is all the time opened. Okay, so that is one of, these are few of the manifestations of that extra chromosome that resulted in trisomy. How it shows that one extra chromosome is causing so much pain. And not just this, the person has highly conspicuous state of mental retardation. Okay, they are highly mentally retarded and their psychomotor activity is very minimal. So you can make it out that extra chromosome, the trisomy, has resulted in this entire condition of symptoms which show when the person is suffering from Down syndrome, and their life expectancy is very, very low. The child born with this syndrome will survive up to 10 to 15 years, not more than that. You can very well imagine with all such problems, it would be so difficult to survive just because the non-disjunction takes place. It leads to trisomy. Trisomy is a type of aneuploidy which manifests itself in the form of these symptoms and makes the Down syndrome. Alright, so this is all you have to study in Down syndrome, how an additional chromosome can create havoc in life of people.